cannot believe. So we are day 44, full max, maxed out. The deer hungry tonight. And we just got a notification from our best player. This is our captain Pong. Because bro has a ball. Bro has like the pew thing. We still need big bed. And we still need another kid. We still need deer because is it here a kid too? That bro got turned into a kid and Row! Like we have torches. Okay. This is in 3. This is like why did I get awarded? Why did I get awarded 2 diamonds? Okay. I'm gonna go save the other kid. Nice. In the west. And because I don't have any ammo left in my rifle, I gotta use this. I'm getting strong. Bro, I'm getting famous. Okay, actually, give me a number. Okay, where are you? Yeah. It's okay. Wow. Worst possible moment. I'm just gonna switch.
Bibili na.
Okay.
Nag-meeting pa kayo, hindi naman lahat nag-aatinan.
I have the other kid. Defense blueprint.
Kaya na yung red. Jesus?
No, the defense blueprint.
Ano yung wizard ko naka-CM?
Now, I need to run. Now, the 4th kid is revealed, and I don't know what's blocking me. Bro, I'm so far away from camp. Here na. This is bad. Wait for me. I'm gonna get cheese.
Can you get a real cage?
Oh my
You have a
gosh.
feed.